So today I'll be talking about a few steps that's gonna make your painting look more sophisticated. So the first one is always pay attention to the light. For example, if the light is coming in this way, so probably this part is gonna be lighter and this one is gonna be darker. So I'm gonna do, and always what I always tell to my students to do, it's like always use some like rules to yourself, to your work. So the first, I'm always gonna use a light layer. There we go, light layer. And then the contour layer. Some things have more contour than others, so this is contouring layer. And then gradient layer. That's my gradient layer. This is the one that I'm gonna make right now. And those steps you can use for basically all the medias: pencil, watercolor. Most of the medias that I use, I always use these steps, like a light layer, then a contour layer, gradient layer, and then the next one that I'm gonna tell, the first step. The last two steps is the shadow layer. So basically, if the light is coming this way, you're not gonna see any shadow on this side. You're just gonna be shadow on this side right here. And you're gonna be shadow in the wall as well. And there's a few different ways to show dark and light. Some of the colors that I like to show like dark colors is, one is blue, the other one is purple, and the other one is gray or rather black. And light, there's another options to show light as well, which one is yellow, the other one is orange, and very rarely red, but very rarely, and white as well. Yeah. So to create a little bit more like different thing, I'm gonna use more yellow today, and a little bit of white too. And there we go. And this way your painting is gonna look way more sophisticated if you always use those steps